Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use bar charts on TradingView step by step. If you've only ever used candlestick charts or you're just getting started with TradingView, by the end of this video you'll know how to switch your chart to a bar design and understand exactly why you might want to do that. This is super straightforward, but I'll walk you through slowly to make sure you don't miss anything that could trip you up. Alright, let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll want to go to TradingView. You can use the website on your computer or the app if you're on your phone or tablet. The desktop version is a bit easier to follow along with, especially if you like seeing all your chart features in front of you. If you don't have a TradingView account yet, you can sign up for free, but if you're just exploring for now, you can still follow most of the steps along in their charting area. Once you're on TradingView, you'll see a big search bar where you can look up different products. These products are pretty much any financial instrument you want to track: stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex pairs, commodities, whatever you're interested in analyzing. So for example, if you want to look at Apple's stock, just type AAPL and select it from the list, or pick your own favorite. Think of this step as choosing which story you want the chart to tell. Now you'll notice that by default, TradingView usually displays charts with candlesticks. Those are the little rectangular bars with lines sticking out, the wicks, and lots of traders love them for their visual clues about price movements. But if you're curious about bar charts, which some traders find cleaner or easier to read because they highlight just the open, high, low, and close, you'll want to change this. So let your eyes drift to the very top section of your chart area. Up here, you'll see an icon that probably looks like a little candlestick pattern right next to where it says Indicators. This isn't always in big bold letters, but it's a key spot. Hover your mouse, or if you're on your phone, tap right on that candlestick icon. Don't worry if you're not sure you've got the right one. The tooltips will usually pop up when you hover, and it'll say something like Chart Type. Go ahead and click or tap on that icon. A small menu will open up, and you'll see several options for how your chart can look: candles, bars, line, area, and maybe even more depending on your TradingView mode. To switch to a bar chart, just click Bar. Instantly, your price chart will transform from candlesticks into a series of simple bars, where each vertical line shows the price range for the period, with small horizontal ticks for the open and close. If you're not used to this look yet, give your eyes a moment to adjust. Each bar is like a snapshot of price movement, and some people find it less busy than candles. And that's it. Seriously, that's all you need to switch from candles to bars. It's a tiny change, but sometimes it makes a big difference for visual clarity or trading preferences. Don't worry if you want to go back to candlesticks later, just repeat the steps and select candles again. Feel free to experiment and see which one helps you read trends and patterns better. Remember, every trader has their style, and it's totally normal to try different chart views as you grow. Thanks for sticking through this quick tutorial. If you found it helpful, drop a like below, and if you've got any questions about TradingView or chart types, let me know in the comments. I'm happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future tips and strategies. See you in the next one.